Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video. A very warm welcome to another video of mine. Well, today I'm gonna talk about the Saturn-Mars conjunction. When Saturn and Mars will be together in the Capricorn sign in the year 2022. This conjunction, this Saturn being with Mars in the year 2022 will be one of the most important conjunctions of the year 2022. Hence, I'm making this video and I'm also gonna predict about all the moon signs and all the ascendants in this video because this particular conjunction is gonna be a very significant one for most of the people of this planet Earth. The Saturn-Mars conjunction, Saturn and Mars together will be in the Capricorn sign from 26th of February 2022 until 7th of April 2022. Let me tell you all about Saturn and Mars. Whenever a Saturn and Mars conjunction takes place, whenever they are together, they can produce very good results. While the aspect of Saturn and Mars over each other may be inauspicious, may not be good for people, but Saturn and Mars being together in a friendly sign, in a good sign, in a sign where they both feel comfortable, will produce magical results, will produce miraculous results. So in this case, Saturn and Mars will be in the Capricorn sign. Saturn will be in its own sign, the Capricorn sign, and Mars is exalted in the Capricorn sign. So this conjunction, this Saturn and Mars together will produce great results. It's gonna produce fabulous results at this point in time. The planet Saturn is cold and slow, and the planet Mars is hot and fast. This planet Saturn loves patience. It has a lot of patience in it. While Mars is full of action. It wants to be in action at every stage of his or her life. Saturn loves loneliness while Mars loves the company of friends and relatives. Saturn wants to remain quiet while Mars wants to talk. One negative aspect of Saturn is that Saturn is calm, but it is revengeful. But on the other hand, Mars is very angry, but it forgives the other person. So Mars is always forgiving, and hence we can conclude their ideologies are different. So Saturn having an unfriendly nature creates enmity with Mars. Saturn considers Mars to be its enemy, while Mars considers Saturn to be neutral. The planet Saturn represents many things. It represents hard work. It represents perseverance. It represents patience. It represents religion. It represents spirituality. It represents growth, wisdom, and meditation. It represents righteousness. It represents honesty. While Mars represents blood, courage, aggressiveness, bold behavior, dominance over others. Mars loves to conquer other things in this world. Mars magnifies the bravery in you. Mars magnifies the stubbornness in you. Mars reveals the warrior in you. So at this point in time, Saturn and Mars in the Capricorn sign is gonna be a very favorable moment for people on this planet Earth. Seeing the planetary position and seeing the Saturn-Mars conjunction, Saturn-Mars together in the Capricorn sign, I wanna tell you all something today. I wanna tell you all that when Mars and Saturn are in the Capricorn sign, you are gonna get courageous in this life. You are gonna stop worrying about life at this point in time, and you are gonna become a warrior. You are gonna show a lot of courage in your life. You are gonna take some steps in your life which will catapult you towards success in your life. Your aggressiveness, your boldness will be magnified at this point in time, and you would want to conquer your fears. You wouldn't like to take suggestions from anyone at this point in time. You wouldn't listen to anyone at this point in time other than your heart, because where your heart is, there your treasure is also. You are gonna remain committed to your work at this point in time. You are not gonna give importance to your relationships at this point in time, to your love relationships at this point in time. And if someone comes between you and your work, then you are gonna remove them from that path. You will not like anyone to suggest you at this point in time. You wouldn't like anyone to advise you at this point in time, because you will want to work on your ideas at this point in time. You wouldn't like people suggesting you and advising you what you should do at this point in time. And you not share any of your ideas with your loved ones, with your friends, with your near or dear ones at this point in time, because you'll realize that those friends, those near and dear ones are members of the discouragement club. They are gonna discourage you at this point in time. Hence, you are gonna avoid them. Hence, you are gonna ignore them. And you are gonna remain aloof. You are gonna make some very important decisions in your life at this point in time, which will profit you in the future. And as Saturn represents perseverance, you are gonna persevere at this point in time. You are gonna be working very hard on your assignment, on your goals, on your dreams at this point in time. And you are gonna struggle to ensure that you achieve your goals and dreams in your life. You accomplish your goals and dreams of your life. You know, nothing happens without a struggle. I haven't seen any person in this world who has achieved something significant in his or her life without a struggle. So struggle is a very important ingredient for success in your life. So don't avoid that struggle at this point in time. Don't ignore that struggle in this life. You know, a caterpillar has to go in the cocoon before it becomes a butterfly and starts flying. I mean, that caterpillar has to struggle in that cocoon before it becomes a butterfly and starts flying. Similarly, at this point in time, you will also have to go in the cocoon and work hard. You will have to persevere at this point in time. And once you come out of that cocoon, you will see success and prosperity for yourself. Don't forget to work hard at this point in time, because this Saturn will reward you massively in your life if you work hard during the Saturn-Mars conjunction. You know, an airplane can't fly without the resistance of air. You can't learn good horsemanship by riding a tamed horse. You can't fix lemonade with sugar alone. You need some sour lemons added to it. And gold has to go through a lot of heat before it becomes a jewelry. So everything in this world which becomes beautiful ultimately has to go through pains and struggles in his or her life. So don't avoid that pain and struggle in your life at this point in time. If you want to become beautiful in your life, if you want to see success and prosperity in your life, if you want to achieve things which you were born for, you know, everyone has a purpose in this world. And you were born for a purpose as well. You were also born to make a difference to this world. And for those people who haven't deciphered, who haven't recognized what their calling of their life is, at this point in time, you will see a breakthrough. You will come to know why you were born on this planet Earth. What is the purpose of your life? And one more thing I want to tell you all, that you mustn't waste any time during this period of Saturn-Mars conjunction, because Saturn is a judge also. It can give justice to people based on their good or bad deeds. You know, you must remember that until and unless your association with people is productive, profitable, positive, and purposeful, you shouldn't interact with people at this point in time. I mean, you shouldn't waste your time with other people if that relationship if that interaction, if that camaraderie is not giving you what you want in your life, if it is not helping you to achieve your goals and dreams of your life, you should avoid such relationships at this point in time. Well, this is all I wanted to tell you all about this Saturn-Mars conjunction. I mean Saturn and Mars being together in the Capricorn sign. Now let me get specific about this conjunction. Let me start predicting about all the moon signs, all the ascendants. Let me start with people who are having an Aries moon sign, Aries ascendant. Well, for these people, this particular conjunction will be in your 10th house. So at this point in time, you will see a rise in your career. You will see something positive happening in your career at this point in time. People are gonna recognize you. They are gonna admire you for your talents, skills and abilities you will be displaying at this point in time and what you have shown previously. The recognition which you were yearning for will be shown by people to you at this point in time. There could be a huge jump in your career at this point in time. You could see major success in your life in terms of your business, profession, job or career at this point in time. Well, for Taurus moon sign, Taurus ascendant people, this particular conjunction will be in your 9th house. So at this point in time, there will be a sudden change in your destiny. I mean towards the better. You are gonna start making your own destiny at this point in time. You will have the power and strength to change your destiny at this point in time. You wouldn't like to procrastinate any longer in your life at this point in time. And you will make certain plans in your life which will give you profits during this time as well as in the future. Well, for Gemini moon sign, Gemini ascendant people, this particular conjunction of Saturn and Mars will be in the 8th house. So at this point in time, you will see transformations in your life. You will see changes in your life. You know, everything must change. Nothing remains the same. So at this point in time, you will see a drastic change in your life. I mean, for the better. You may also see some adversities in your life at this point in time. I mean, you may see some hurdles, obstacles and barriers in your life at this point in time, which ultimately will benefit you. You might not feel comfortable during this time, but when you look back at the events which will happen during this time, you will realize these events during this time have helped you in your life. So you need to see the greater picture at this point in time. Well, for Cancer moon sign, Cancer ascendant people, Saturn and Mars will be in your 7th house. So at this point in time, your relationships are gonna strengthen. You are gonna remain in complete harmony with your relationships at this point in time. You would be discreet enough to mend your relationships at this point in time if they were spoiled in the past. If you had any sort of differences with your spouse, then at this point in time, those differences will end. People who are wanting to start a new business, this would be an ideal time for you to do so. Well, for Leo moon sign, Leo ascendant people, this particular conjunction Saturn-Mars together will be in the 6th house. So at this point in time, your focus would be on your health. Your focus would be on forgiving other people for whatever they have done against you. Your focus will be to end any sort of enmity, any sort of acrimony, any sort of animosity you have with people. You will want to forgive people at this point in time. You wouldn't like to carry that baggage of unforgiveness on your shoulders at this point in time. You know, unforgiveness is just like that person who drinks poison and expects the other person to die. So you wouldn't like to stay in this boat at this point in time. Hence, you are gonna forgive all the people with whom you have any sort of acrimony or animosity. If you were suffering from any sort of disease or illness, then at this point in time, you will find a solution to that problem. Well, for Virgo moon sign, Virgo ascendant people, This particular conjunction will be in the fifth house. So at this point in time, if you are in a love relationship, your love relationship is gonna get strengthened at this point in time. You and your love partner are gonna have a great time at this point in time. Your relationship with your love partner is gonna get deeper and stronger at this point in time. Well, for students, this is gonna be a fantastic time for y'all, as you will be in a position to focus and concentrate on your studies, and probably you will have the urge to master one of your subjects at this point in time. And for those people who are in the stock market, let me tell you all, please do not gamble in the stock market at this point in time, because there is a strong chance of you losing a lot of money at this point in time. Well, for Libra moon sign, Libra ascendant people, Saturn and Mars will be in your fourth house. So at this point in time, you will want happiness, you will want comfort in your life at this point in time. You will want to go out of your way to show your love for your mother, and vice versa. Your mother is gonna be very supportive of you at this point in time. And for those people who are wanting to buy a new gadget, this would be an ideal time for you to buy. And if you want to buy some machines for your factory, this would be an ideal time as well, because the purchases you make during this time will benefit you in your future. Well, for Scorpio moon sign, Scorpio ascendant people, this particular Saturn Mars will be in the third house. So at this point in time, you are gonna become very courageous. You are gonna take some very bold decisions at this point in time. You will want to work hard to overcome all your present problems and difficulties at this point in time. You will have the urge to become someone you have never been. I mean, you will want to better your best at this point in time. Well, for Sagittarius moon sign, Sagittarius ascendant people, this particular Saturn Mars will be in your second house. So at this point in time, you will want to save money. You will want to save money at this point in time and probably invest in stock market. You will want to invest in fixed deposits. You will want to invest in bonds. You will want to invest in gold and silver at this point in time. And you will be successful in doing so. You will want to save some money at this point in time for your rainy days. You are gonna give a lot of sincere effort behind your family at this point in time. Though your family may not support you at this point in time, but regardless of that, you are gonna show your love and give some serious positive efforts behind your family at this point in time, in order to make them comfortable, in order to fulfill their desires and wishes at this particular moment. Well, for Capricorn moon sign, Capricorn ascendant people, this particular Saturn and Mars will be in your ascendant or over your moon sign. So you are gonna be filled with confidence at this point in time. You are gonna move forward in your life at this point in time at all costs. You are not gonna be worried about the world at this point in time. I mean, you are not gonna be bothered about what people are telling you, what people are speaking about you at this point in time. In other words, you are gonna be very bold, aggressive and strong at this point in time in your life. Well, for Aquarius moon sign, Aquarius ascendant people, this particular Saturn Mars will be in your 12th house. So at this point in time, you could see some losses. You could see some losses in your life at this point in time. But those losses which you see, you will recover your losses later on. I mean, if you lose some money at this point in time, you will recover this money sooner than later. You are gonna start realizing the value of money at this point in time. You could also have to spend some money behind your family members at this point in time. It could be behind their illness, their sickness at this point in time. Well, ultimately, you are gonna come out stronger from this period. I mean, in the month of April 2022. Well, for Pisces moon sign, Pisces ascendant people, Saturn and Mars will be in your 11th house. So at this point in time, you could see a lot of profits in your life. You know, these profits could be in any area of your life, in any arena of your life. I mean, you could profit in terms of your relationships, in terms of your health, in terms of your love relationships. You could see yourself becoming healthy. You could see yourself entering into a good relationship at this point in time. You could also earn a lot of money at this point in time. In fact, your focus at this point in time should be to earn money. All I want to tell you all that don't stop anywhere. I mean, when you face challenges at this point in time, and continue doing your hard work, and you will see that you will become successful and prosperous in the future. Well, these were my general predictions about all the moon signs, all the ascendants. If you want some specific predictions about yourself, then you can contact me directly. Well, like I always say, that if you wish to know your future through astrology, and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, well, one must always try to live his or her best version of themselves, because there is only one life to live. There are no duplicates of a life. You will not get a chance to live this beautiful life once again. And if you want to enhance your luck in your life, if you want to boost your luck in your life, if you want to increase your luck in your life, because luck is a very important factor in our lives. So if you want to boost your luck, then I have several remedies for you. You know, these remedies which I'm talking about are a fusion of astrological remedies, Vastu remedies, and religious remedies, which can be utilized by any person of any religion. Because I believe that there is only one God in this universe. And if you want me to pray for you, because prayer can move mountains. So if you want me to pray for your health, wealth, success, prosperity, business, money, career, job, business, relationships, love relationships, education, etc., 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 then also you can contact me. You can also contact me if you want a Vastu visit of your flat, office, residence, or factory. And if you are hell-bent on taking your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from the low point to the high point, from nothing to something, then you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a great life ahead. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Kali.